The human brain is one of the most complex and mysterious organs in the body. From controlling our thoughts and movements to influencing our emotions and memories, the brain is at the center of everything we do. But how exactly does it work? In this video, we'll explore the captivating world of neuroscience, diving into the structure and function of the brain, its development and disorders, cutting-edge research methods, and real-world applications that are improving lives. Let's embark on this journey to understand the brain like never before. The brain is an intricate network of billions of neurons, each connected by synapses, forming a vast communication system. Let's break down its main components. Cerebrum. The largest part of the brain, responsible for higher cognitive functions like thinking, decision-making, and sensory processing. It's divided into two hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. Cerebellum. Located under the cerebrum, it coordinates voluntary movements, balance, and posture. Brainstem. Connecting the brain to the spinal cord, the brainstem controls vital life functions, such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Example. Consider the story of Phineas Gage, a railroad worker in the 19th century who survived a severe brain injury. A large iron rod pierced his skull, damaging his frontal lobe. Remarkably, Gage lived, but his personality changed drastically. This incident provided early evidence of how specific brain areas control different functions. Brain development starts early, with the most critical periods occurring in utero and early childhood. Proper development is crucial for cognitive and emotional health. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This plasticity is highest during childhood but continues into adulthood, allowing for learning and adaptation. Example. Children who experience early music training often show enhanced brain development in areas related to auditory processing and motor skills. Unfortunately, brain development can be affected by various disorders. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, a developmental disorder characterized by difficulties in social interaction, communication, and repetitive behaviors. Research is ongoing to understand its causes and find effective treatments. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, a condition marked by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsiveness. Early intervention and treatment can significantly improve outcomes. Recent studies using advanced imaging techniques have shown that early intervention in children with ASD can lead to significant improvements in brain function and social behavior. Advances in technology have revolutionized our understanding of the brain. Here are some key research methods. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, measures brain activity by detecting changes in blood flow, providing insights into which areas of the brain are involved in specific tasks. Electroencephalography, known as EEG, records electrical activity in the brain using sensors placed on the scalp. It's commonly used to study sleep and diagnose epilepsy. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, is a non-invasive method that uses magnetic fields to stimulate nerve cells in the brain. It's used in research and treatment of depression. Scientists at MIT recently developed a new technique called optogenetics, which uses light to control neurons that have been genetically modified to respond to it. This allows researchers to activate or silence specific neural circuits, providing unprecedented insights into brain function. Neuroscience isn't just about understanding the brain, it has practical applications that improve lives. Advances in neuroscience have led to better treatments for mental health conditions. For example, deep brain stimulation, or DBS, has shown promise in treating severe depression and Parkinson's disease. Understanding how the brain learns has transformed educational practices. Techniques like spaced repetition and multimodal learning are based on neuroscience principles, enhancing memory and retention. Artificial intelligence. Neuroscience research is informing the development of AI systems. By mimicking neural networks, AI can process information in ways similar to the human brain, leading to advances in machine learning and robotics. Consider the story of Henry Mollison, often referred to as HM, a patient who had his hippocampus removed to treat epilepsy. While the surgery alleviated his seizures, it also resulted in severe memory loss, providing crucial insights into the role of the hippocampus in memory formation. This case has influenced both medical practices and AI development. The development of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, is a game changer for individuals with disabilities. BCIs enable direct communication between the brain and external devices, allowing individuals with paralysis to control prosthetic limbs or communicate using thought alone. Neuroscience is an ever-evolving field that holds the key to understanding the most complex organ in our body. By studying the brain's structure, development, and functions, we can unlock new treatments for disorders, enhance learning and memory, and improve overall well-being. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue exploring the wonders of the human brain. Who knows? The next breakthrough could come from your curiosity.